Hey y'all, my Cardinals. I thought I would share with you an old school sport that I used to do as a kid, and actually I continued to teach it for a while to some of the kids at Elmont. It's baton twirling. And I know you probably don't have a baton at home, but you might have some kind of stick. When I first started, I actually twirled a broom. It kind of was awkward, but I wanted to show you just a few little things that maybe you could do. I found this, you have to be careful and not be around anybody, but this is just a white, I don't know, what is this from? A curtain rod maybe, okay? So you can, it's not, you don't want it too thick, but here's a basic thing so my photographers can come behind me so I can show you something. This is called a two-hand spin, where you just put your hand over, dump it in, turn it over. Dump it, pour it, dump it, pour it. And you get really comfortable with it and it can go faster. And that's a basic. This is a basic. Twirl is a horizontal. And you getting that in? And it's, the big end goes on the top if you had a real baton, which you can find these on the internet. And it's just, it's wrist action. And this is a vertical, where it's, this is a dip and dump, dip and dump, dip and dump. And you get it smoother and you can get it faster. If you get, you know, get your wrists going. Fingers are fun. You start with, the baton has a tip and a ball, and it's, you start fingers facing the tip, and it's basically 1, 2, lock it, back that way. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. And then if you look at me, you can turn it different ways. So if you're following me, you can do all sorts of things, and it looks like it's going really fast, but I'm only doing 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. So, some might like to do a toss, and this is called a thumb roll flip, which you put your thumb underneath and you turn and push, and that thumb actually controls where it goes. Okay, so thumb roll flip. You can do a free horizontal back toss. Some of my twirlers from the past that I've had, we used to do field day at Elmont. We would work on a routine and then come perform for field day. So anyway, I'm thinking I might like to start teaching this again. That's an old school sport, and if you ever look it up on the internet, you'll see it's just fantastic what people can do with twirling. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I know you could get a broom. Be careful, whatever you do. Yeah, all right, adios.